The age of a single therapeutic approach is over. Today, in the face of complex chronic diseases, biomedical societies call for new, united regenerative therapies that combine cutting-edge technologies from various disciplines. Every human body is a universe of biological systems that have inherent regenerative powers, the ability to fully mimic and utilize the lessons learned from the human body would be key to the safest and most effective organ regeneration. In this context, ROKIT Healthcare is pioneering a new era of organ regeneration and anti-aging with its proprietary combination technologies, including the bioprinting system, biomaterials, and breakthrough clinical procedures. ROKIT was founded in 2012 by Chairman Yu as a 3D printing technology company. In 2016, the company has entered the biomedical industry with the launch of Dr. In Vivo. In 2018, with ambition to shift healthcare paradigm, we renamed ourselves as ROKIT Healthcare. Our diabetic foot ulcer regeneration platform, referred as DFU Regen, has opened the door to a new era of regenerative therapies, enhancing both efficacy and safety from the existing methods of treating DFU. DFU Regen's global human clinical studies were successfully completed in India and Korea, and are continuing in the United States, Turkey, and Italy, with the supports from globally known scientific advisors in the field of regenerative medicine.
Recently, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services came out with a vision statement on the future of regenerative medicine. The report says that regenerative medicine will be the standard of care for replacing tissues and organ systems in the human body. Bioprinting technology is a powerful tool that could accelerate this process.
Our business pipeline includes organ regeneration platform, bioprinting materials, hair regeneration products, single-cell RNA sequencing, and biomarker, managing the businesses in a portfolio divided into two large segments, anti-aging platform and organ regeneration platform. ROKIT's DFU treatment has received the confirmation by the European Medicines Agency as a non-ATMP. We also have completed the US FDA registrations for the key components of DFU Regen, thereby making this therapy available to patients right away. ROKIT's technologies are strongly protected with over hundreds of patents.
So as we sit together today talking amidst this pandemic, every 1.2 seconds around the world there's a diabetic foot ulcer. Someone in the world gets an ulcer. About half the time those ulcers become infected, and now there is an amputation around the world every 20 seconds. And we think every 20 seconds that's a tragedy. And with the team, with the technology, with the patient, and with tenacity, I think we can make a difference to help people move through the world a little better and keep a few more legs on a few more bodies.
This uses the patient's own cells to be able to create a healing process for the wound. Because this goes through a minimal manipulation process of the patient's own tissue, it is clear that this is not an advanced medical therapy product and does not need to undergo further review. ROKIT Health is showing that they can do this not only in a faster way through their healing process, but as well as at a lower cost point.
If you make an amputation, below knee or finger amputation or toe amputations, look, it is going to change the physiology of walking. Changing of physiology will make new wounds on the other side or on the other side of the same foot. You are going to need too many physical therapies, psychological therapies, etc., etc. If you collect them together, it's economic and social and its psychological consequences are much than its treatment costs. Sure, it's going to have benefits for the overall national health budget, of course.
DFU region treatment begins with taking a three-dimensional image of the wound using integrated 3D scanning system. Through a process called 4D bioprinting, Dr. Invivo prints the image according to the curved surface of the human body using bioinks made from patient's own adipose tissue. This patient's autologous customized dermal patch stimulates regeneration of the blood vessels and skin tissues by the body's own healthy cells. DFU Regen has proved high efficacy, incomparable with existing treatments. According to our clinical study results, we've observed 100% wound closure and epithelialization in all patients, improving their quality of life and avoiding life-threatening amputations. ROKIT has obtained another confirmation from EMA, proposing that our cartilage regeneration platform is also considered as non-ATMPs, which is the second pipeline of ROKIT's organ regeneration platform. We have observed successful results from our preclinical trial at Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston, and human clinical studies will begin soon with Aswit University in Egypt. With our promising results, we expect the cartilage regeneration market to be approximately 10 times bigger than $40 billion USD DFU market. ROKIT's pipeline will continue to expand into kidney and other organ regeneration platforms, as well as anti-aging platforms in near future. ROKIT Healthcare has decisively answered the call for new regenerative therapies by pioneering a new era of organ regeneration through the construction of Dr. Invivo. We newly introduced Dr. Invivo 4D6, the latest unique system that combines 4D bioprinting technology with the most important factors of organ regeneration, which includes a sterilizer, treating all substances as potentially infectious, and a cell incubator, providing an ideal environment for the living cells during printing. We envision to change the world by serving patients through personalized regenerative therapies with our customized organ regeneration platforms, together with ROKIT Healthcare.